Welcome to the Getting Started video. Today you'll see how quick and easy it is to set up your email marketing campaign. When you log into your account, you'll see the home page. At the bottom of this page is the Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard is a program that will guide you along the process of creating your list and show you what you need to do next. To get started, you'll click on Do This Step. The first thing you are asked to do is to name your list. This is a lot like naming a file on your computer and will help you tell the difference between other lists you may have. Next, add a description of your list. This can be a few quick words about your email campaign. Your subscribers will see this on the Unsubscribe page. The From address is the address people will see in their From line when they receive your emails. To help them recognize you, use an email address that's hosted at your domain. Adding a name to go along with that From address will also help subscribers recognize your emails. To further customize the Unsubscribe page, use the Company Branding section to add your company's name and your website's URL. Once done, click the Save List Settings button. You'll notice that the Setup Wizard has changed and is now asking you to set up the Confirm email. Follow the wizard by clicking on Do This Step. The Confirm email is an email that is sent out when someone signs up to your list and contains a link that they need to click in order to confirm their subscription and receive future emails. To start, enter in a subject line. You can choose from our pre-approved ones or create your own. The subject line should help people identify who is sending this message and that there's action to be taken within the message. The intro paragraph is the first thing people will see when they open up your email. In this area, it's a good idea to remind the reader that they need to click on the Confirm link below. Lastly, add a closing. Something simple like a thank you and your name or your company's name. Once done, click Save. A message appears at the top of the page, letting you know your changes have been saved, and your Confirm email will be reviewed within 1 business day. Now the Setup Wizard is directing you to create a welcome email, and you can start by clicking Do This Step. Your welcome email will welcome people to your list and also set some expectations. Start by adding a subject line. You can create your message in either HTML or plain text. Type or paste your content in those areas. Again, this email is welcoming people to your list and letting them know what to expect in future emails. When finished, scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. You can create more messages in the series by clicking on the Add New Follow-up Message button. Looking back at the wizard, the next thing to do is to create a web form. To begin, click Do This Step. A web form is a form that can be placed on your site that will allow visitors to fill out their information and be signed up to your email list. You'll start by choosing a template for your form. This will give it some structure and help it stand out to visitors on your site. Below is the preview of the form, with a field for name and email. You can add text to the form by clicking on the Header section. This helps add value to the form by letting people know what kind of emails they will receive. Once done, click Go to Step 2. First, give your form a name. Then, choose a thank you page. This is where people are directed to after they fill out your form. Add your website's thank you page here. When ready, click Save. Then click Go to Step 3. The last step in the wizard is to place the form on your site. You can place the HTML for your form yourself on your site, or we can send that HTML to your designer to have them do it. If you are having your web designer place the form, fill out the fields in that area. If you are placing the HTML yourself, copy it to your clipboard. Next, go to your website. To place the form, you will need to access your website editing software. Once you've opened up the program to edit your site, paste the HTML for your form on that page. Going back to your site, just refresh the page and the form will appear. And that's all there is to it. In just minutes you have your email campaign set up, ready to turn your website visitors into prospects.